Hi friends, welcome to Laxmiles 31. I am Sai Lakshmi. Hope you are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create funnel chart in Tableau. Let's get started. Funnel chart is used to visualize the progressive reduction of data as it passes from one phase to another phase. Data in each of these phases is represented as different portions of the whole data. Like the pie chart, funnel chart also won't use any axis. Each stage of the funnel represents a part of the total data. Therefore, it assumes the shape of a funnel, with the first stage being wide and the largest, and each subsequent stage smaller than its previous stage. Typically, the first stage, the intake stage, is the largest in the funnel chart. Let me open Tableau public application and show you how to create a funnel chart. I have opened Tableau public application and I have the sample superstore data ready with me. So to create a funnel chart, we need a dimension and a measure. So I'm taking a measure first, which is sales in the sample superstore data. I'm dragging the sales and dropping it in the row shelf. And I am selecting region dimension and dropping it in the color mark. Now a bar chart has been created. Now what we need to do is take the sales from the measure shelf and drop it in the size. Now we have different sizes of bars available here. We need to sort it based on the descending order. Now a funnel chart has been created and we can do a little formatting like adding labels and all. First I'm going to add region in the label and sales as well. Now a basic funnel chart has been created. Let me show you a proper funnel chart in the same way. I am duplicating the funnel chart. I'm removing everything from the chart to avoid confusion. So first I'm taking sales and dropping it in the row shelf, and I'm taking region, dropping it in the column shelf. No, I'm swapping both of them. I mean placing region in the column shelf and sales in the row shelf. Now a horizontal bar has been created. So first step should be creating a horizontal bar chart. So I have placed region in the row shelf and sum of sales in the column shelf. The same way I'm going to create one more horizontal chart. To create one more horizontal bar chart, I am adding the sales again. Now two horizontal bar charts has been created. So now what I am going to do is sorting all of them in a descending order. Now both the charts, both the horizontal bar charts has been sorted in descending order. Now I am changing the mark to, I'm clicking on all and changing the mark to area. Now the curve has been created, which looks like half funnel over here and another half funnel over here. Now I am selecting the axis in the bottom. I am right clicking on the axis and clicking on edit axis. A window will pop up as soon as you click on edit axis, and the scale should be reversed. Now a funnel chart has been created. I'm removing the headers to do a cleanup. and formatting everything. Format borders. First of all, I'm cleaning up the borders, changing everything to none so that all lines will be removed from the chart. I'm removing row dividers and changing it to none, and I'm selecting on lines and changing the 0 lines to none, trend lines to none, and selecting on rows. Here everything is none, and grid line should be none for the columns, and 0 line is none already, drop line none, and column divider should be none in the borders as well, and anything else we missed over here should be checked. Reference line none, axis ticks none. Yeah, we cleaned up everything. We can change the color of the area to anything we feel like. We can add region and sales in the labels. Sales I've added. First of all, let me add region and then sales. You can remove if you don't feel like displaying it twice. You can remove from selecting over here, like no, if you want it to be displayed, you can select the primary measure sum of sales and remove the labels over here, keep the labels over here and remove it from the other one, and the vice versa. Yeah, this is how a proper funnel looks like. This is how you can create a funnel chart. As I said, the first is the intake stage where you see the widest part of the area chart, and then the next phase the data will get filtered and the curve will get slightly lowered or slightly little less you could see, and the same way the subsequent phases will get filtered out. The data will get filtered out from the area chart and the curve will properly flow like a funnel. Hope you got my point and understood the funnel chart clearly. Thank you guys. Thanks for landing at my channel Laxmails31. If you like my video or like my content, please like, share and let me know in the comments what could have been better, and if you have any questions for me, do let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Have a nice day. Bye bye.